Hi everyone, today I'll show you what it's like to be a full-time servant for the real boss of this house, Tom. Tom's internal clock is flawless. At exactly 6 a.m. it's time to wake up the servant. Oh, not hungry? Maybe he wants a gourmet meal, cooked by hand. Nap time is sacred. Don't disturb him, unless you want to get evicted. Tom sleeps 16 hours a day. I don't even know what I do anymore. Exercise, a quick 3-minute session, then back to eating. After a long day of doing nothing, he steals my bed too. Good night, if I get to sleep. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you think Tom's cute. Comment if you have a boss like this at home.